What's poppin' everyone? Welcome back to another brand new video here. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use Facebook on your Fire TV. For any reason, if you want to use the Facebook on your Fire TV, then let me show you the process. So now to do that, first thing first is go ahead and press the home button from your remote in order to get back to the home page of your Fire TV. Then the next things you need to open up the internet or the Amazon Silk browser. So I'm just going to navigate to the internet. So I'm just going to open this application first, and here you'll get to see the interface like this. And in the search bar, you need to search for Facebook. And once you do that, you'll get a few different options. So I'm just going to choose Facebook login, and I'm just going to head over to the first option, facebook.com. And once you do that, you'll get this interface. Now you need to enter your email address and the password. So I'm just going to enter my email address and password over here. Now, once you do that, finally go ahead and select the login option. Now, if it asks for two-factor authentication, let's go ahead and enter the login code from your mobile and verify your account. And once you do that, just go ahead and select continue. If you wish, you can save the browser, or if you don't want, you can select the don't save. So I'm just going to select this one and then select continue once again. Now there you are. Here, as you can see, I have successfully logged into my Facebook account on my Fire TV. Now you can easily access to the different options from your Facebook. So guys, from here you can easily watch your news feeds, you can accept and send friend requests, watch videos, and also can chat with your friends. So guys, this is the way you can use the Facebook on your Fire TV. Hope you find this very helpful. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.